Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 5 Hindi Chapter 7 Dakiyan Ki Kahani Kunwar Singh Ki Jubani. So this is a story about postman and the story is said by Kunwar Singh. Chapter explanation and sample question answers I'm going to explain in English. So this is a conversation happening between Kunwar Singh, the postman, and the reporter Pratima Sharma. So there is a sorting of letters happening in the room of General Post Office located on Mall Road, Shimla. So General Post Office, Mall Road, Shimla. So Shimla. It is 11:30 in the morning. Subah meaning is morning, 11:30 meaning is 11:30 time. There are two packers and three lady postmen who are sorting the mail. Sitting there is Kunwar Singh, who has received an award from the Government of India. Our writer Pratima Sharma talked to him. That conversation is given below. So, Puraskar meaning is award, Sarkar meaning is government. Here, Kidki meaning is window, Gunguni Doop meaning is warm sun. So, the reporter is asking about his name. He says, my name is Kunwar Singh. I am staying in Himachal Pradesh. I am staying in Shimla district and Nerwa village, which is in Himachal Pradesh. So he says that his age is 45. Then he's saying about his children. He says that he has 4 children, 3 girls and 1 boy. 2 girls are married. Then he says that there are thousands of villages in Himachal Pradesh which cannot be reached by transport, any transport. They can be reached only on foot. Buses still do not reach many places in Himachal Pradesh. So Kunwar Singh says that his children go to the school, village school, which is about 5 kilometer away. So 5 kilometer meaning is 5 kilometer away. Here Dasvi meaning is 10, Bar Havi meaning is 11, and next we'll see what he says. Earlier he was Gramin Dak Sevak in the Indian Postal Service. Now he's moved to a packer. On being asked that by the author what he had to do, so the Kunwar Singh said that he had to send letters, registered letters, parcel. So he goes from one village to another village to leave bills, old people pensions. So he says that despite the advent of many new methods of conveying information and messages, even today the biggest means of conveying messages in the village is by post. The postal service of our country is still the largest postal service in the world and also the cheapest. So here Alawa meaning is except, Neeli meaning is blue, and he says he'll be delivering letters, parcel, bill, pension, all these things. Next here is Sandesh meaning is message, Shaharo meaning is cities, Dak meaning is post office, and Aadhar is respect. Next he says that Indian Post Department is very cheap, meaning is sasti meaning is cheap, corner, kone meaning is corner, Keval 50 paise meaning is in 50 paise you can send the messages. Sandesh meaning is messages. So then the reporter asked whether he is enjoying the job. Naukari meaning is service, Maja meaning is enjoying the job. So what he says is, he says that he enjoys his job because he gets to see the happy faces of the people on delivering money order, registration, letter of appointment order, pension. So here result, niyukti meaning is admission, pension. So all these people will be waiting for a for conversing letter after receiving the particular pension letter or admission card. They'll feel happy. So he's enjoying his job. So they'll be waiting for months to receive the pension. Next, a question is being asked whether whether Kunwar is working in the same post office for from the starting. So he says initially he worked 3 years in Kibbar village, and which is in Lahaul Spiti district. Then he worked in Kaza district. Then he worked Kinnaur district. So all these areas are hilly areas. It is very difficult to deliver mail in all these hilly areas. Kinnaur and Lahaul Spiti, all these places are very cold and high districts of Himachal Pradesh. So next we'll see what is the conversation going on. So he says that in these districts, to take mail from one house to another, it is necessary to walk about 26 kilometers daily. So he says that he's a packer now. To become a postman, one has to pass an exam. At present, he says that his salary is very less according to the work of the packer. The salary of a person who works sitting in a chair all day is much high when compared to a postman. The workload of postman is very high. So this is the thing he is saying. So 26 kilometer. Next, here this is duty. So Vedan meaning is salary, and Mushkil meaning is tough. So next, the reporter asked, is there any special incident that happened that happened during his service? So Kunwar Singh is narrating an incident. When he was transferred to the General Post Office in Shimla, he was happened to stay in night. That is in the date 29 January 1998. So it was around Sade Das, meaning is 10:30 p.m. Someone knocked the door. On opening, 5 or 6 people entered inside and started beating him. His head got injured and he was fainted. Next day, when he regained his consciousness, he was admitted in Indira Gandhi Medical College Hospital, which is in Shimla. So he got several stitches on the head. So because of that, he cannot still open his one eye. The government rewarded him with the Best Postman Award for saving postal for his service in Postal Department. This award is given to him in the year 2004, and he received a cash prize of rupees 500. Kunwar Singh is proud, and he's the best postman. So the reporter name is Pratima Sharma. So here in this chapter we don't have any textbook solution. So we'll see a few hard words from this chapter. You can just pause the video and write down the hard words from this chapter in your notebook. So Gunguni, Niyukti. So all these words you can write down in your notebook. Just pause the video and write down in your notebook with the meanings. Next, here few hard words is given with the meanings. You can write all these in your notebooks. Next, we'll see question answers. डाकिया का क्या नाम था? What was the name of postman? So you can write Kunwar Singh. Where was the postman from? So he was from Nerwa village in Shimla district of Himachal Pradesh. कुंवर सिंह के परिवार में कौन कौन सदस्य थे? So who were the members of Kunwar Singh family? 4 children. What does the postal servant have to do? So they have to deliver letters, registered letters, parcels, bills, pension to old people. Next, what is the speciality of Indian Postal Service? It is the largest post service and it is the cheapest postal service in the world. Next, what are the difficulties a postman has to go through in hilly areas? So in hilly areas, they have to walk for miles and they have to walk in snowfall. Which award did Kunwar Singh get? So next question, 7th question. So Kunwar Singh got the award of Best Postman. 8th question, यह पुरस्कार उन्हें कब मिला? So when did he get this award? He got this award in the year 2004. So this chapter is an easy chapter. This chapter ends here. Hope this video is useful and understanding. We'll see in the next video. Thanks for watching.